If you want to eject SIM tray on your iPhone 17, then first of all we need to prepare the SIM eject tool that you can find inside the box of your phone. If you take a look at the left side of iPhone 17, you should be able to find the SIM tray over here, if it's included of course. And then using the SIM eject tool, we can insert it into this hole over here. So put it into the hole. There we go. And then use a little bit of force in order to push it out. There we go. Once it sticks out slightly, you can just grab it using your fingers or fingernails. There we go. And now, of course, we can insert our SIM card. We need to match the shape of the SIM card slot. Let me actually put it closer to the camera. So just slide it in, make sure that the SIM card is inserted, and then we can put it back into our phone. Be careful to not drop the SIM card in the meantime while you're trying to put it back in. And then just push with your finger and make sure that it is actually fully in and it doesn't stick out or anything. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.